Hi, I'm Kristen Williams, and in this video, we're going to talk about ways you can make money on YouTube without having a ton of subscribers. So the first way you can make money on YouTube is probably the most obvious, and that is by being a YouTube partner. If you're in the YouTube partner program, that means you can monetize your videos on YouTube, which basically means that ads will play in front of your videos and you get a percentage of what YouTube can sell those ads for. The cut is 45% to YouTube and 55% to the creator. But becoming a YouTube partner is a lot of hard work and it takes a lot of time. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours over the past 12 months. So what are some realistic ways you can make money on YouTube if you haven't met those requirements? Well, the next way to make money on YouTube is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically where you as a content creator can talk about the products you love and then link them in your video description, and when people click through those links and purchase that product, you get a small percentage of what they buy it for. Affiliate marketing rates can really range. I've seen them as low as 2% and I've seen them as high as 15%. If you want to try your hand at affiliate marketing, I really recommend you look up the products you love and see if they have affiliate programs. The third way to make money on YouTube, even if you don't have a ton of subscribers, is to allow your fans to support you directly. Now, YouTube does have a channel membership feature that allows viewers to join a channel and support the creator directly, but you have to be in the YouTube Partner Program in order to use that feature. And if you're not a gaming channel, you have to have 30,000 subscribers. Another option for letting your fans support you directly is a site like Patreon. On Patreon, your viewers can sign up to support you every month, and then for that support, you're going to give them special perks like bonus videos. The fourth way you can make money on YouTube is through branded deals. Now, branded deals are great because they allow you as the content creator to work directly with brands you love and share those brands with your audience. Now, a lot of people think you have to have a huge following on YouTube to work with brands, and I assure you that is not true. If you have a small but dedicated audience, you are oftentimes way more valuable to a brand than someone with millions of subscribers. One more thing I want to say about brand deals, because this comes up all the time, you need to know your worth. You have worked very hard on YouTube. You've built an amazing, loyal audience. Know what you're worth when it comes to talking to brands. If you're not sure what your influence is worth, I completely understand that. There's 2 links in the video description. The first is to a website called Social Blue Book. You can go there and put in your channel information and it'll give you a rough idea of what your influence is worth when it comes to working with brands. The other link is to a Facebook group that I have that is just for people who are looking to start and grow their YouTube channels. So you can hop in that group and write a post about working with brands and then get some input from me personally and from other creators about how you can price your channel and your influence. So the fifth way you can make money on YouTube, even without a ton of subscribers, is through product sales. If you already have a product you sell, or if you can create some t-shirt designs or other merchandise, this can be a great way to bring in additional income on YouTube. I really hope this video gave you some ideas on ways you can make money on YouTube even without being in the YouTube Partner Program. If you'd like to learn some more YouTube growth strategies, please subscribe to this channel. I'm Kristen Williams and I post new videos every week about how you can grow your influence on YouTube. I'll see you next time. Bye.